Hi, everyone. This is Robert over at Capital Retail. We specialize in commercial real estate brokerage, property management in Maryland, Washington, D.C., and Virginia. We specialize in those medium and small commercial properties. This video channel is dedicated to all the issues that come up between the tenants, landlords, and anything related to commercial real estate for these types of properties. So, for example, today I want to go over the insurance requirements for tenants, especially for smaller tenants that aren't used to doing commercial leases. The insurance requirements that is noted in the lease can be really quite overwhelming. Let me just give you an example here. The landlord has requirements that is set forth in the lease, and that needs to be followed by the tenant. So here is insurance requirements. There is workers' compensation. There is general liability. There's dollar amounts that have to be noted, and really a lot of details. So we always suggest to the tenant before you sign the lease, go talk to a commercial agent that specializes in this type of insurance, and they can help you out and they can give you a quote, because these dollar amounts right here, the limits, really drives the total cost of the insurance. So if you see something, for example, like $2 million, can you get that lower? If you're the tenant, ask the landlord or the landlord's agent, hey, listen, you know, we don't need $2 million. Maybe your insurance agent tells you you only need $1 million or $1.5 million. That's going to save you hundreds, potentially hundreds of dollars each year, maybe even thousands. So before you sign the lease, find out how much this insurance is going to cost, and then talk to the landlord's agent, see if that can come down a little bit if that's needed. Okay, so you go ahead, you sign the lease, make sure that you have the insurance certificate done by the agent as soon as possible. Sometimes the property manager, AKA Capital Retail Group, we don't give you the keys to the space until we get this insurance certificate, which essentially means that you're insured and that if things happen on site, that we're all covered. We also request that we are additional insureds, and that is the property manager and the landlord. And that way we are notified if there's a lapse of insurance, and we can give you a call. Hey, listen, there was a lapse. Can what's going on there? And we also are notified if there's a renewal. So those are the two things to be aware of. If you guys have questions on insurance, give us a call or check us out on the web, capitalretail.com. This is Robert with capitalretail.com.